Here are 20 examples of repurposing, and when you see how easy they are, you'll realize how effortless it is for you to repurpose your content. Number one, and I'll go through the list with you: blog to post ebook, article to social media post, white paper to case study, research report into an infographic, email newsletter into a blog post, or a blog post into an email newsletter, a video to a GIF, an infographic to a video, a photo into a social media post, or create another video, convert a presentation into a video, turn your webinar into a video series, turn your webinar into a podcast. Why don't you create a quiz from that podcast and share it on social media? Why don't you take a survey and turn it into an infographic? Share your webinar through online modules. Don't forget, convert everything into a podcast and share it with your community. Turn customer testimonials into case studies. And remember to turn case studies into industry reports that you can share again online. Like I mentioned earlier, you have already done the work. So now you're going to make the work work for you.